Okay, so I wanted to do a quick update on the cookbook. Now, please don't email saying or comment saying I don't think it's coming. That's honestly offensive. It's like you're saying we're trying to rip you off. We're not. So many people have received their books already. If you're doing that on Facebook, you can see that. So, think a little bit. We're going in order of when they came in. So if you ordered later, you will get yours later. We literally physically ourselves have to pack all 1,400 orders. Go look at my vlogs to see exactly how long that takes. We have actually all packed them all. What's holding everything up now is the fact that Royal Mail can't take as much per day as we thought. They fill their van and then they go, and then the next day they have to fill it up again. Not only that, the printing system takes forever. We have to type everything in and then print it off, then stick it onto a parcel. Not only that, the Royal Mail and Parcel Force systems are terrible. They lag. They're laggy. Sorry, I can't. I don't. I literally don't have the time to edit this. So as it comes out, is as it comes out. They're laggy, and sometimes, especially Royal Mail, just decides to stop working for 20 minutes. That holds us up. Believe me, it really does. Also, I'm sorry if some of you are getting irritated by the automated response. I don't have the time to comment. They take 3 to 5 minutes to reply. That's 2 books that could get sent out in that time, and I get literally 20 a day asking the same thing. Where's my book? Well, we've explained it on all these different platforms. We can't explain it anymore. We know you're frustrated. If you don't want the book anymore because it's taken so long, by all means, please email us at contact@chinandchew.com and we will refund you, because we understand it's taken so long. But please bear in mind that 3 of those months was due to COVID, because our book was meant to be printed. The factory shut down, so it was delayed by 3 months. That was completely out of our hands, and even blaming us a little bit for that is so ridiculous. I'm not even going to go there because it is just. Anyway, that's by the by. So yeah, we're doing everything we can. We're pulling 18 hours a day since we've had this booking. We're barely sleeping. We can't do any more, and I'm really sorry if you feel that we're letting you down, but we cannot physically do any more than we are. Whenever I can get someone in to help, we do. So please share this, let people know that their book is coming. Thank you guys. Chin out.